Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Factories Corporation of Jamaica says bids for space at the Morant Bay Urban Centre in the parish of St. Thomas exceeded the number of spaces available. As a result, it will be building a small and micro business park on lands recently acquired by the Factories Corporation. I quote, "We did that strategically because we wanted the Factories Corporation of Jamaica as the government agency to be more fluid and flexible in providing space as it relates to small businesses. And we are doing the drawing, we are looking financing, and we are expecting that construction for the small micro business park will start possibly as early as April," said Factories Corporation Tanny Shirley. Tropical Battery Company Limited has advised that its subsidiary, Tropical Mobility, has announced the signing of a memorandum of understanding with ELSCO, led by hotelier, real estate developer, and electric vehicle pioneer Lee Issa. The strategic partnership was formed between the two companies to drive the adoption of electric vehicles in key sectors across Jamaica. Tropical has further advised that under the terms of the partnership, Tropical Mobility will establish a flagship showroom at the Lee Issa-owned Tropical Plaza in Half a Tree to promote Tesla passenger vehicles and electric motorbikes from the combined portfolio of both companies. The two parties will join forces to commercialize electric kick scooters, bicycles, motorbikes, and ATVs, as well as passenger vehicles for private motorists and corporate fleets, commercial vehicles, and buses. For the trading period ending January 31, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 8,623,478 units traded, representing 21.19% of market sales volume. Microfinance firm Lasco Financial Services Limited, with 7,025,223 units traded, representing 17.26% of market sales volume. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited, with 5,130,135 units traded, represented 12.60% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 31, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $70.31 million purchased and US $52.64 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 68 cents per dollar, selling the US at $157.44 and buying the US at $156.76. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.31 per transaction, with selling at $110.73 and buying at $107.42. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.49 in profit, with selling at $198.31 and buying at $194.82. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're looking to secure a mortgage with good interest rates, your credit score needs to be in top shape. A higher score means lower interest rates, better loan terms, and more financial flexibility. Here are actionable steps to boost your scores by 100 points and get mortgage ready. First, check your credit report. Get a free credit report and dispute any errors immediately. Next, pay off past due accounts. Bring any delinquent accounts current to stop further damage to your score. Then reduce credit card utilization. Aim for below 30%, ideally under 10% of your total credit limit. Now, from nothing to financial resilience. Many women over the age of 45 worry they've missed their opportunity to build wealth. And yet the key is taking strategic steps to to create multiple streams of income so you never have to rely on just one source of money again. Here are a few types of income streams you can explore. There's active income, which you earn by trading your time for money, such as freelance work, consulting, or coaching. Then there's passive income, that's revenue that flows in with minimal outgoing effort, like digital products, online courses, or affiliate marketing. Then there's investment income, money earned from assets like stocks, real estate, or dividends. And finally, recurring income, and that's income from memberships, subscriptions, or retainers that provide consistent monthly revenue. Your goal isn't to start them all at once. It's to identify the streams that excite you and align with your skills. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.